Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got a fantastic 3-minute daily routine that'll help you improve your mobility and posture. Trust me, it's super easy and takes no time at all, so let's dive right in. First up, we're going to tackle your shoulders. Standing up straight, place your arm behind your back and stretch it out to the side. Hold this position for a good 20 seconds and then repeat on the other side. Next, let's work on your upper back. Stand up straight with your arms outstretched behind you. Hold this position for another 20 seconds and then switch sides. Now, it's time to open up those chest muscles. Stand tall with your arms outstretched in front of you, reaching as high as you can over your head. Hold this position for 20 seconds and then switch sides. Finally, let's work on those hips. Sit down with one leg stretched out to the side in front of you at a 45-degree angle. Hold this position for 20 seconds and then repeat on the other side, and that's it. Just 3 simple exercises that will help you feel better in no time. Give this routine a try every day for a week and see the fantastic results for yourself. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. As always, please follow and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Take care, folks.